Understanding the business landscape of candle making. Welcome, aspiring candle entrepreneur. The warm glow of a handcrafted candle isn't just visually appealing, it represents the potential for a fulfilling and lucrative business venture. But before you embark on this exciting journey, it's crucial to understand the landscape of the candlemaking industry. This comprehensive guide will illuminate the market size, growth trends, and competitive environment, equipping you with the knowledge to navigate this dynamic space and establish a thriving candle brand. Market size and growth, a glimmer of opportunity. The candlemaking industry is a fragrant testament to human desire for ambience, relaxation, and a touch of everyday luxury. Let's delve deeper into the factors contributing to this market growth. Increased focus on home decor and well-being. Modern lifestyles often prioritize creating a comfortable and relaxing home environment. Candles, with their flickering flames, soothing scents, and aesthetic appeal, perfectly align with this trend. They serve as mood setters, enhance ambience, and contribute to a sense of well-being, a factor that has gained significant traction in recent years. Evolving consumer preferences. Consumers today are increasingly drawn to unique, handcrafted products with a story behind them. They seek candles made with natural ingredients, sustainable practices, and a focus on quality over mass-produced alternatives. This shift in preferences creates a space for smaller, artisanal candle makers to thrive. Seasonality and gifting. Candles are popular year-round, but sales often spike during specific seasons like fall and winter, when people seek warmth and cozy vibes. Additionally, candles remain a cherished gift option for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions, further bolstering the market's growth. Understanding market trends, riding the wave of innovation. The candlemaking industry is anything but stagnant. New trends emerge constantly, influencing consumer preferences and shaping the overall market landscape. Here are some prominent trends to keep an eye on. Natural ingredients, soy wax, beeswax, and other natural alternatives to paraffin wax are gaining popularity. Consumers are increasingly health conscious and appreciate eco-friendly options that burn cleaner and emit less harmful fumes. Soy wax dominance. Soy wax, known for its clean burn and natural appeal, is rapidly becoming the preferred choice for many candle makers. Its versatility allows for vibrant colors and strong fragrance throws, making it a compelling alternative to traditional paraffin wax. Sustainable practices. Consumers are becoming more environmentally conscious, seeking out brands that prioritize sustainability. This translates to a growing demand for candles made with eco-friendly materials, recyclable packaging, and ethical sourcing practices. Unique scents and blends. Gone are the days of generic vanilla and lavender scents. Today's candle makers are experimenting with unique fragrance combinations, drawing inspiration from nature, aromatherapy, and even gourmet experiences. Think woodsy notes with citrus accents, calming floral blends, or invigorating scents reminiscent of freshly brewed coffee. Luxury appeal. The market is witnessing a rise in luxury candles made with premium ingredients, handcrafted designs, and unique packaging. These candles cater to a discerning customer base seeking a touch of indulgence and exclusivity. The competitive landscape. Identifying your niche. The candlemaking industry is a vibrant community filled with passionate individuals and established brands. Understanding the competitive landscape is crucial for establishing your place within the market. Here's a breakdown of the key players. Large, established brands. Major players like Bath & Body Works, Yankee Candle, and Voluspa have a significant market share and established brand recognition. They often offer a wide variety of scents, styles, and price points, catering to a broad customer base. Small batch and independent candle makers. This segment comprises passionate individuals and small businesses crafting unique, handcrafted candles. They often focus on natural ingredients, niche fragrances, and limited edition collections, appealing to consumers seeking a distinctive experience. Direct-to-consumer, DTC, brands. The rise of e-commerce has empowered DTC candle brands to reach a wider audience. These brands prioritize online marketing and social media presence, offering a convenient and personalized shopping experience. Luxury candle makers. This niche caters to a discerning clientele seeking high-end products. Luxury candles often feature premium ingredients, exquisite packaging, and unique fragrance blends, commanding a higher price point. Finding your place in the candlelight, niche strategies for success. Having explored the market size, growth trends, and competitive landscape, you're now equipped to identify your niche within the vibrant world of candle making. This niche will be your unique space in the market, allowing you to stand out from competitors and resonate with a specific customer group. Here are some strategies to guide you in finding your niche. Identifying your passions and skills. What excites you about candle making? Are you drawn to natural ingredients, unique fragrance combinations, or artistic container designs? Leveraging your passions and skills will not only make the process more enjoyable but also infuse your brand with authenticity. Understanding customer needs and preferences. Conduct market research to understand what customers are looking for in candles. Are they seeking eco-friendly options, candles for specific occasions, or aromatherapy benefits? Identifying unmet needs or underserved segments within the market allows you to tailor your product offering accordingly. Playing to your strengths. Do you have a background in graphic design? Perhaps you possess a talent for crafting beautiful containers or creating captivating social media content. Capitalize on your strengths to create a unique selling proposition, USP, that sets your brand apart. Here are some niche examples to spark your creativity. Aromatherapy candles. Focus on candles infused with essential oils for specific purposes, such as relaxation, stress relief, or improved sleep. Highlight the therapeutic benefits of your blends and cater to customers seeking a holistic approach to well-being. Travel-inspired candles. Evoke wanderlust with candles capturing the essence of different destinations. Use evocative fragrances and container designs that transport customers to their dream locations. Seasonal scents. Create limited edition collections of candles that celebrate the changing seasons. Offer warm and inviting scents for fall and winter, fresh and floral fragrances for spring, and invigorating citrus notes for summer. Subscription boxes. Curate a monthly or quarterly subscription box featuring a selection of your handcrafted candles. This caters to customers who enjoy discovering new scents and adds an element of surprise and delight to their experience. Luxury soy candles. Combine the clean burn of soy wax with luxurious elements like premium fragrance blends, hand-poured techniques, and elegant packaging. Target customers seeking a high-end product that elevates their home decor. Remember, your niche doesn't have to be rigidly defined from the outset. It can evolve as your business grows and you gain a deeper understanding of your customer base. The key is to identify a space in the market where you can offer a unique value proposition and build a loyal following. Beyond niche, building a strong brand identity. While finding your niche is crucial, building a strong brand identity is equally important. Your brand identity goes beyond your product and encompasses the personality, values, and story behind your candle company. Here are some elements to consider. Brand name and logo. Choose a brand name that is memorable, reflects your niche, and resonates with your target audience. Develop a logo that is visually appealing and consistent with your overall brand aesthetic. Brand story. Craft a compelling brand story that captures the essence of your company. This could be your personal journey into candle making, your passion for using natural ingredients, or the inspiration behind your unique scents. Sharing your story helps customers connect with your brand on a deeper level. Visual identity. Develop a consistent visual identity that extends across your website, packaging, social media presence, and marketing materials. This includes your logo, color palette, fonts, and overall design aesthetic. Customer experience. Prioritize providing a positive customer experience from start to finish. This encompasses everything from your online ordering process to the quality of your packaging and the overall impression your brand leaves on your customers. By capitalizing on market trends, identifying your niche, and building a strong brand identity, you'll be well on your way to establishing a thriving candle business.